Assalamu alaikum. Today I am talking about series clipper. This is my midterm presentation presented to ANM Shahibul Hassan. About myself, I am a student of AIUB. My name is SM Faisal, ID 20443673, Section J, Course Electronic Devices. Contents: What is clipper? Classification of clippers, series clipper definition, series clipper classifications, series clipper with a DC supply, application of clippers. What is clippers? Clippers are networks that employ diode to clip away a portion of an input signal without destroying the remaining part of the applied waveform. The half wave rectifier is an example of the simplest form of diode clipper, one resistor and a diode. Depending on the orientation of the diode, the positive or negative region of the applied signal is clipped off. Classification of clippers. Clippers are networks that use diode to clip a portion of input signal without destroying the remaining part of the waveform. Clippers are basically two types: series and parallel. Series and parallels are two types: unbiased and biased. There are two general categories of clippers. We know series and parallel. Today I am discussing about series clipper because this is my presentation topic. Series clipper definition. In series clipper, diode is connected in series with the load in a clipper circuit in which the diode is connected in series to the input signal and that attenuates the positive portion of the waveform is termed as series clipper. The following figure represents the circuit diagram for positive series clipper. Here are the diagrams. Series clipper classifications. Unbiased series clipper. In that case, the circuit diode is connected in series with load resistance and no external voltage is applied to the circuit. Positive unbiased series clipper. If the positive portion of the output is clipped, it's called positive unbiased series clipper. Negative unbiased series clipper. If the negative portion of the output is clipped, it's called negative unbiased series clipper. Biased series clipper. If in the circuit diode is connected in series with load resistance and external voltage is applied to the circuit, this is called biased series clipper. Positive biased series clipper. If the positive portion of the output is clipped, it's called positive biased series clipper. And negative biased series clipper is if the negative portion of output is clipped, it's called negative biased series clipper. Series clipper with a DC supply. Here is a diagram. Applications of clippers. Clippers are used in signal processing. This is a photo of signal generator. That's all for today. I am ending my presentation. Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.